Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add new items to the Slimrate system. You'll need a phone, a laptop, or a computer with a connected scanner. First, open the main screen in the Slimrate app. Go to the Inventory section. At the top of the screen, next to the Search button, you'll see a new lightning icon. Tap it to open the Quick Add panel. Start by filling out the default settings: category, unit, and tax. If you don't see the category, unit, or tax you need, there's a button above each field to add a new one. Next, tap Start at the bottom. The current item window will open. You can fill out the item manually, but it's much easier with your phone's camera. On the right, tap the blue button to open your camera. Point it at the product's barcode and all the main fields, including the barcode, picture, and sometimes even the item name, will fill in automatically. If you're working from a computer with a scanner, just scan the barcode and the fields will autofill as well. You can also change the unit if you need to. Then, in the bottom right, tap Preview. A product card will pop up. Check that everything is correct. If it all looks good, tap Save and Scan Next at the bottom to move on to the next item. Repeat these steps for each new product you want to add. And that's it! Adding items in Slimrate is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.